public to decide. That's all we want.
Kadba ka VPP bat ka Kongres kila jit ban om ya Shim Bynta ka United Democratic Party ha ka weka liang kampat Shim larai haluar ke cing ya Shim Bynta ha ka All Party Committee ha ka bayadei bat ke cing terwa projek Lynti rel ha Meghalaya unong yalam ka UDP bat unong yalam ka liang persya ha pok KHASI uba Titos Starwer Khan ula ong ba ka seng ka persya ya kene ka projek namar ka cing bombiang kilat cing ada bante lakam ya ke cing wan rung kerthem laban rap baka UDP shen kan sai kendu lang bandra ya kanong rim jong keseng la kan ya Shim Bynta ni ha ka komiti.
We will decide as a party. We cannot decide the president or the working president or the general secretary alone regarding this issue to attend. You mean to say that we will attend or not the all party meeting, right?
Part of it or not?
Yeah, we will be a part of it. That will be decided in the next meeting. Our stand till today, we still oppose railway line. But to be a part of any meeting, to be a part of any across table meeting, I think the party will consider it.